Did you know that you can get the look of naturally bigger breasts without any surgery? You can. Hi, I'm Sherry from Twin Sisters Mastectomy Boutique, and I not only see women who have had breast cancer, but I also see women who have had no breast surgery, no cancer, and they're looking to enhance their cup size. So they don't want to go through surgery. There's a lot of challenges with surgery, like recovery time and, challenges with implants and whatever goes along with that. It works out great for some people, but not everybody wants to go down that route. So, what do you do? If you want something natural, soft, somebody hugs you, it feels normal, but you want that enhanced look. So there are some great options which are so much less expensive than surgery and so much more versatile and with none of the potential health challenges that breast augmentation surgery comes with. So what are those? Well, believe it or not, breast prosthesis. So a normal breast prosthesis, this is just an example, is flat on the back generally. It might be a little bit concave. And it's very soft, made out of surgical grade silicone. So it feels very much like breast tissue. It warms to your body. So it's pretty much the same temperature. And you can definitely put this in your bra on either side and enhance your look. And it's super natural. But the challenge is that maybe because this is flat, it might be uncomfortable to wear because it might squish down your natural breast and be a little less comfortable to wear. Although this has been done many, many, many times, and a lot of women find it comfortable. But there are other alternatives. So there are partial breast prosthesis, and both the breast prosthesis and the partials come in different shapes. This is a triangle, it's symmetrical, and this is a teardrop shape. You can wear it this way, you can wear it this way. But the nice thing about the partials, whatever shape you get, triangle or this shape or other shapes, is that it's a little bit hollowed out. So your breast fits right in there, and this just gives you extra volume. So it's not sitting on top of your breast, it's actually cupping your breast. And because it's cupping your breast, you don't necessarily have to wear a mastectomy bra. On this one, I would suggest a mastectomy bra because it's sitting on top of your natural breast and it has the opportunity to move and migrate, and you don't want the girls falling out anywhere. So I would put this in a mastectomy bra so it stays in place. But I think you can explore the option of not wearing a mastectomy bra when you have a partial and it's concave like that and your natural breast goes in there because it just holds it in place. And then you can enhance your bra size by, I'd say, probably a good one or two cup sizes with this, with a partial, depending on the thickness, because they can come in different thicknesses. With a full prosthesis, you can actually enhance your cup size significantly, like 2, 3, 4 cup sizes. So it really depends on what you want. There's also a third option, and the third option is a swim form. And we sometimes use these as partials as well if this is the best option for somebody. And a partial, well, it's a swim form slash partial, but it's also made out of surgical grade silicone, but it's a little bit more firm and it's a little bit thicker. It's hard to see here, but it's probably about 2 inches thick in the very center. And again, it's a little bit concave, so you could put your breast right in there and it shouldn't move around. So there's all sorts of different options. Now, if you're just doing this to enhance your cup size and not for a medical reason, then chances are your private insurance and your provincial government won't have any funding for you. But let me tell you, these are significantly less than what you would be paying for surgery. And here's something that I've seen before in my boutique. I had a lady who was coming in for surgery, and she wanted to know what she would look like with a particular size of implant. So what we did is we worked with her doctor to figure out exactly what size breast prosthesis, actually it was a full breast prosthesis, would be correlating with her implant, so that if she were breast prosthesis, she could say, okay, this is what I'm going to look like roughly. They're going to sit a little bit differently than a surgical implant. But it gave her an idea of what size she wanted to be, because she was able to try different sizes out, which is something you can't do with surgery. And she was also able to bring in clothes and try her favorite clothes on and see what worked. Because one of the things that happens is if you enhance your breast size significantly, you may find that none of your clothes fit anymore. And a lot of your go-to shirts, especially if they button up or zip up, don't fit anymore. And that always comes as a surprise to people. So this is a good option. She ended up purchasing a pair that she thought that she liked, and she ended up wearing them for about, I'd say it was probably 3 months. And then she finally said, I'm ready for surgery. I'm sure that this is the size I want. And I thought that was a brilliant idea. Not for everybody, I suppose, but for her, it was a great option. So if you want to have the look of bigger breasts, a bigger cup size, and you want it to look natural, you want it to feel natural when somebody hugs you, it moves very naturally, but you don't want the expense or the concerns that go with having actual surgery, this is a great option for you. So I hope that helps. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.